What are you playing at? What are you playing at right now with these photos? You're setting me up.
These edits are horrible.
What did you do? What did you do to this poor woman?
It doesn't look
So
like
that
this on
no,
my
no,
camera.
it doesn't. Okay, airdrop it to my phone then.
You took chapstick, and then you just used the whole roll on the lens.
Did some other people say that those are good photos?
What happens when you ask professional photographers to critique a photo that you purposely edited badly? Will they be honest, or will they spare your feelings? Today we're going to find out. I did a studio shoot. Will you rate my photos 1 to 10? I'm going to show you 2 pictures.
Okay, got you.
Are you going to be honest with me?
It depends. It depends.
You would lie to me?
Well, let's look at the photo and yeah.
What's a 10? What's a 1 to you?
10 is good, really amazing. 1 is, you know what 1 is.
Okay, fair enough.
It's absolute rubbish,
Okay.
as the Brits say. All right, first picture.
I'm not feeling that one. I'm not. That's.
Here's the thing. I'm gonna give you a 5,
Okay.
but I'm gonna give you the opportunity to make it a 7.5 to an 8.
You took these?
Yeah, it's my picture. My friend's name is Zoe, and we took these in studio.
Cool. 0.
7. 7.
You know that photo? Would you edit in Photoshop?
Photoshop and Lightroom.
Pick one. Don't do the other.
0. 0.5.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Ooh. Well, I love the colors.
I feel like you made this bad on purpose, right?
You think I would do that?
You're good with me right now.
Oh, dude, that's really good.
She's really soft. Almost like a water painting soft.
What am I looking at?
That's my photography.
I've seen your photography.
Yeah, you're looking at it. It's right here.
What did you do? What did you do to this poor woman?
I give it like a 8. Yeah. I give it an 8. Yeah.
I feel like you took a breath there.
No. I'm analyzing it. I'm studying it. I'm making sure, you know.
You made her look like a smudge. This is like if you took chapstick and then you just used the whole roll on the lens, and then you were like, oh, it's not done yet. Let's get some Vaseline, and then you put the Vaseline on the lens.
That's what I did.
Why?
Like, I see the light, I see the prep work, but the execution on, like, the actual, like, either this edit or this, like, Vaseline you put on the lens or whatever's going on, I'd have to give it, like, a 3.5.
A 7.5.
You didn't think she was pretty enough as it is?
No, she's beautiful. I just got like a bunch of.
You had to make her smudgy at the same time.
I had to make her shiny.
Has anyone given you a 0? I give you a 0.
This is a trick question.
No.
Okay, yeah, looks
Okay.
good. Looks solid to me.
7.5 out of 10.
You can go lower.
No, I think it's cool. It's funky. The colors are like, I like opposite colors of the color wheel. I just don't like the earrings.
Those are my earrings. I really worked hard on this one.
I know you did, but I'm honest and direct, which you might not have expected from a Canadian. But yeah, no, 0.
What about the color toning?
That skin tone doesn't seem natural, and it looks hypersaturated.
I feel like it's my phone screen.
No.
I feel like it's more orange on my phone. It doesn't look
So
like
that
this on
no,
my
no,
camera.
it doesn't. Okay, airdrop it to my phone then. Easy.
Okay.
Let's do it. Airdrop to my phone. We'll see.
I don't like the earrings. I like that she looks like a bird. Okay, next.
You're zooming in here.
Nah, you gotta see details. I don't want to lie to the audience.
I think you're messing with me. She messing with me, Miguel? Have you seen this photo?
Has the audience seen this? Do they know what's going on here? Do you see this? Do you see this nose?
Frequency separation retouching. Do you even retouch your pictures? Do you?
Actually, I don't.
I think you're messing with me.
You want to zoom in?
I've seen your work. That's better than your work. Or I mean, your
It's
work is
not.
better than that, is what I meant to say.
Oh, okay. But
I
it's
just
not.
said that's better than your work.
Oh.
That's not what I meant.
What can I improve on?
I just like it feels a little bit soft for me. Like I like sharp images. So, like that's my personal preference.
If you zoom in, it's sharp.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh. Yeah, it is. How come?
Do a zoom in.
I mean, what am I trying to say? I mean, it's
Okay,
That's
8
my
now.
edited. It's
Okay.
an 8?
Yeah, it's an 8 now.
Okay, I love that.
you're f***ing with me. I see that. Yeah. It's trash.
It's my
This
picture.
photo's trash. I'm just being honest. It's not good. It's not a good photo.
What else you got? Show me the banger now. The next one. And if you show me, what are you playing at? What are you playing at right now with these photos? You're setting me up.
Okay. Okay, so see now we have context.
When's the time?
Oh my god. That's a 10 right there. That's the best thing I've ever seen. That's the best. What is going on with these shots, Chad?
9.5. 8.5.
So my score went up.
Yeah.
Not good. Simply not good.
Also, I like them both, but the more I look at this one, the more mesmerized I get. To be honest, so I think
That's my best work.
I don't think that's your best work.
You said it's a 9.
I'm giving you a 9.5, but it's not your best work.
That's one edit.
Remember the advice I told you the first time? Pick neither now.
I mean, yeah, it looks good. It got soft lighting, nice position.
See, I'm gonna give you a 3. I'm gonna give you the opportunity to make an 8
Okay.
by taking my advice. Don't use Photoshop or Lightroom.
What do I use?
Nothing,
Okay.
because that would have been a better option. I'm just kidding.
What is the okay? So what you did? You're like, okay, the first photo had too much Vaseline. I'm gonna take a little bit of Vaseline off, but then let's put her in the sun.
This one's worse than the last one, and I gave a 0 to the last one. So you tell me. Can we go in the negatives?
I would say 7. I like the other one better.
She's blending in. Is she AI?
She's real. Her name is Zoe.
Oh, right, Zoe.
Zoe Bella Elise. She's in LA. She lives there.
That's cool. Go back to the other one.
Maybe 7.5.
Maybe like an 8, maybe? Go up to 8?
I don't know. I think I've seen some way better ones from you, Jessica.
Where?
Okay, you know what though? It's not as soft. I'll give you a 2.
To me, it feels like it's trying to be bad. Like it's not a good photo. Like there's no detail.
Zoom in. Just zoom in and change your mind. You'll be a believer.
Oh my god! Actually, that skin detail is.
It's good, right? It's good.
Okay, I'll give it an 8. I'm just kidding. It's a bad photo.
I feel like I made it a little bit too orange. I feel like I could have.
Yeah, yeah.
It's probably like my screen. It's my screen.
Not sure. I just prefer the other one.
I have a second version that's a little better.
Okay, let me see.
Okay. Can you see this on like an advertisement?
I can see the other one on the advertisement. Yeah, this one I think the tones are a little bit too orange. I think.
What else you got?
That's all I got. Those are the only 2.
No way.
Zoe the model. She did amazing.
She looks great. Yeah. No, tattoos are cool. Yeah, no, she looks great.
She has cool tattoos.
Yeah. Have you shown her this photo?
I have. She liked it.
I want that on camera. I want a on-camera reaction of this photo and her looking at it.
Okay. Zoe, send it in. Send it in, Zoe. He doesn't believe me.
I don't.
I would never lie to you.
Yeah. Okay. All right. We're friends. It's fine. I get it.
I'm going to take your advice, but maybe I won't need to because those aren't really my pictures. I edited them badly on purpose.
Why would you do something like that?
I don't know.
Why would you just lie to people like that and hinder yourself? And then why would you do that?
I'm not sure.
I'm not. You know what? I'm not mad. I'm disappointed. But you know what? I'm gonna give you the opportunity to do better if you take some of my advice.
Well, I have to be honest here. I did. No, they are my pictures, but I purposely edited them bad.
Well, I was trying to be kind.
So now that you know that information, you want to revise your
No. So I think like.
4?
No.
Dane, is it still a 9.5?
It was never a 9. I was just being nice.
These are trick questions.
Can you show me a better photo, please? I don't want to roast both these photos. I want to come off as a nicer person. I feel like I look very mean right now. So show me like a really good photo so I could just like say how good it is, and then people in this video won't think I'm as mean. But I'm just being
You're
honest.
not being mean. You're being honest, and that's what I wanted. Because I did
Okay.
purposely edit these terribly.
See, I knew it. I knew it. Did some other people say that those are good photos?
I can't say.
If I'm being very honest, again, I didn't want to say this in front of your audience, but now we're being very honest. From an edit standpoint, these edits are horrible. Colors still great. Edits, Christ. The retouching is horrible on that. So
You're right. It is. It is a trick question.
Yeah, okay.
So-
Do you want me to really critique it?
Yes. What do you really think?
I think it's too soft. It looks too done. I don't want to roast too much.
Well, I purposely edited these badly, so.
Okay. I'll just say 7 for both of them.
You're too kind, you're too nice, Tristan. Give me a 0. Give me a 0.
Okay. She said that, so 0.
So I purposely edited these bad. She's too sweezy. This is why I didn't want to do it.
No, though, because I have seen stuff that I'm like, no, that's terrible.
I did not. And this is a compliment to you. I did not believe that those were legitimate edits you were showing me.
Okay. Well, thanks. Thank you for having faith in me, I guess.
You're welcome.